Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to turn on read receipts in Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the quick and easy steps to make sure your friends know when you've read their messages and you can see when they've read yours. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see all your recent conversations right there on your home screen. Tap on the chat where you want to manage your read receipt settings. It can be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation, whichever one you'd like to update. Once you're inside the chat, look toward the top of your screen and tap on the person's name or profile picture. This will open the chat settings where you can adjust several controls related to that conversation. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Read Receipts. This is where Messenger lets you manage whether read receipts are shown or hidden. Tap on Read Receipts and then you'll see a toggle button next to Show Read Receipts. To turn them on, simply switch this toggle to the right. Once it's on, it should change color or slide over to confirm that the feature is now active. From here on out, whenever you open a message in that chat, the other person will see that you've read it, and you'll also be able to see when they've read your messages too. That's all it takes. Just open the chat, tap the name at the top, scroll down to Read Receipts, and toggle on Show Read Receipts. It's a quick adjustment, but one that can make a big difference in how you communicate. Whether you like to know when your messages are seen or you prefer to keep things a bit more private, having control over this setting gives you that flexibility. Now, you can decide what works best for you and your chats. Thanks for watching.